Hello, everybody. Let's talk about transporting alcohol and beer. Now, most of you know that many states require a permit for this to do this in their state, but how do you know which states require it, which states don't? And there's different scenarios: transporting into the state, out of the state, through the state. So I found a good resource for that, and I'm going to put it up on the screen for you right now. I'll put a link in the description below and in the pinned comment so you can look at this website for yourself and help determine if you need permits to travel through certain states with alcohol. All right, so the website is prodrivertools.com/guides /alcohol hyphen permits. Once again, I'll pin that in the comments so you can see that. They have a great list on here. If we just scroll down, starting alphabetically here, of each state, and then the permit type, which some are annual, some are per trip, et cetera, et cetera. And then next to it says within. So if you were picking up and delivering, within that state, from the state, which means you'd be picking up and leaving the state, or to the state, picking up from somewhere else and bringing it into the state, and then just passing through the state. Say you're picking up in Ohio and you're traveling to Missouri, well, you're going to go through, Illinois, Indiana. Uh, so that would be through. Now, X means no here for each of these. So we'll just say Alaska, right? It's all X's, which means not required. And then a link to each agency. So if you do need to draw some kind of permit, click here. It'll take you to that state agency. Here's one: Arkansas requires the permit for all of those things. Here we see District of Columbia. It requires it for within and to. Um, let's find some different examples here. And all right, Pennsylvania, everything but through the state. So if you're just in transit through the state, you don't need it. And let's just look here. The Texas, that's different. They have a 2-year permit. Virginia is a permanent permit. West Virginia is an annual permit. So if we were to want a Virginia permit, we need it for all 4 of those scenarios. We just click here, and it takes us to the government agency website where we can get such a thing. Also, a good resource for pulling some of these permits is Comdata Permit Services. I've done that many times for New Jersey, and I think I got a New York permit off of there one time. Some of these permits you can get instantaneous within an hour or so, and some of them require a good deal of paperwork and then some processing. Like Virginia will take it's not an on-demand type permit, whereas New Jersey would be. So have these permits ready to go ahead of time, because some of them can take some time. Anyway, once again, it's prodrivertools.com /guides /alcohol hyphen permits, and find out, get all the information you need on whether or not you need an alcohol permit for where you are going. Everybody take care, hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you next time.